Let's start by turning on the wireless mode on the HP Laser MFP 135W. On the printer, you'll find a dedicated wireless button. Press and hold it for a few seconds until the wireless light starts blinking. This means the printer is now ready to connect to a network. Now grab your mobile phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for HP Smart and install the official app. This is the only app you need to set up and control your HP printer from your phone. The download is now complete. Tap Open to launch the HP Smart app for the first time. You will see a Welcome to HP Smart screen. Tap Accept to agree to the terms and continue. Next, a Set up your new printer screen will appear. For now, tap Skip for now. We'll get to the printer setup in just a moment. You're now on the HP Smart home screen. Tap on Add your first printer to begin the setup process. A printer setup screen will appear asking type of printer to add to HP Smart. From here, select Set up a new printer. Now it will ask how do you want to connect this printer. Select Wi-Fi and tap Continue. The next screen says, Great, printer is ready to connect over Wi-Fi. Tap Continue to move forward. The app will now ask for a few permissions: location, Bluetooth and nearby devices. These are required for the app to detect your printer. Go ahead and allow all permissions. The app will now start searching for your printer. You'll see Searching for Printer on your screen. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both turned on and stay close to the printer during this step. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I reply to every single one.